Hello and welcome to the No Dig Norfolk Gardener, where we talk everything no dig and vegetables. Now today what I want to sow is some beetroot and I want to sow some turnip. Both we like to use in salads along with spring onions and the lettuce that we grow. Now both the beetroot and the turnip lend themselves to multi-sowing, and that's the method that we're going to be using today. Now I've filled my tray and I'm just going to make some small indentations into the compost. Now if you haven't grown beetroot before, the seeds are rather different to those that you get from any other vegetable. So you can see they're like in little clusters, and sometimes when you plant these you get more than one seedling from the cluster. So what you don't want to do is to go too far over the top in your multi-sowing. And what I tend to do is to put 5 or 6 in there, and leave it at that. Now if you find once they've germinated that you have more than 5 or 6 plants or seedlings, what you'll need to do is to then thin those out down to about 5. Now we like our roasted beetroot. We also make pickled beetroot because other members of our family particularly like that. So it's quite a versatile vegetable. You can make some nice smoothies with it too. I'm pretty sure I saw someone make some beetroot ice cream on the television. Interesting. Now this is a variety called Bolt Hardy, and at different times of the year we try different beetroot varieties, but at this time of the year, remembering this is late February, Bolt Hardy is the one for us. It bolts the least. In fact, I can honestly say that since we've been growing beetroot, we haven't had any of these bolt on us. And if you're not familiar with the term bolting, it's when a plant prematurely goes to seed, it rises to flower. That's the beetroot sown. Now what I want to do is to sow some turnip. Now the turnip is the total opposite. It's a really tiny seed. But again, just like the beetroot, it does lend itself well to multi-sowing, and I'm aiming to get 3 or 4 in a clump at the time of planting out. So get a pinch of seed and I'm aiming for 4 or 5 seeds. If there are a few more than that, then it's just a question of thinning them out. Turnip seems to be one of those things that have sort of fallen out of favour with people. But it is really quite nice. It's great to use in casseroles. It's also really good to use in salads. Adds a bit of crunch. Now this is a variety called Milan Purple Top. We have grown this one before, and I find this the better one to grow at this time of the year. So we'll just fill in the holes with a light dressing of compost. And if you didn't know, turnips are a member of the brassica family, so just be careful where you do plant them. And try not to put them where you grew brassicas last year. We just need to label them up. Bolt Hardy. And Milan purple. And we'll just give them a watering. And it may be late February, but you can probably hear got a bit of a windy day going on. And there we are. We have some beetroot sown and some turnips sown, both multi-sown. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you're a beetroot grower or a turnip grower, let me know which varieties you grow and how you go about growing them. Leave us a comment in the comments box below. Always interested to read all of your comments, and I do try to answer them as quickly as possible. And equally, if you haven't tried growing beetroot before, your own beetroot or turnips, have a go for the first time. You'll be amazed. Like all vegetables that you grow in your own garden, they do taste so much better when they come out fresh and you use them just after you've picked them, and you may suddenly become a convert. If you use the same method as us, let us know. If you use a different method, let us know. And if you're not quite sure what to do, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we shall film as and when we do the different stages of these plants. If you like this video, please give us a like, and we shall see you on the next video.